Assalamualaikum class. I hope you all are good and fine at home. So we are going to start our math work. Open page number 8. On page number 8, you can see using an abacus. This abacus shows the numbers 3726. In a unit line, we have 6 beats, and in a tens lines, we have 2 beats, and we know in a tens, we have only 1 0, so they write 0 with 2. It becomes what? 20. And in 100, there are 7 beats, and we know in a 100, we have 2 zeros, so they write 2 0 here. Now in a 1000 line, there are 3 beats, and we know in a 1000, there are 3 zeros. So in the end, what they do, add up these all values and write it here. It becomes what? First they write 3, then they write 7, then they write 2, and then 6. It becomes what? 3726. So by using this method, I'm going to solve question number 1, that is complete the number sentences for each abacus, write the number shown. I'm going to do the A part for you. In a A part, what you have to do, you can see there, this one is a thousands place. So there are 2 beats, they write 2, and how many zeros in a 1000? 3. So you can see they write 3 zeros. Now turn off 100. In a 100, there are 6 beats, and there are 2 zeros with 100. So they write how many zeros? 2 zeros. Now the next one is tens. In a tens, you can count these. How many these beads are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So first you have to write 5 here, and we know in a tens we have how many zeros? 1 0. So write 1 0 plus how many units they have? There are 8 units. There are 8 beats, so they write 8. And now you have to write in this box total. So how you will write the total? First you have to write 2, then 6, then 5, and then 8, and it becomes what? 2658. Now look at the board. Page number 8. Question number 1. I'm going to solve part A. In a part A, you can see 2000. In a 1000 line, you have 2000. Then they write plus. Then 600. After 600, we have to fill the box, that is fill by yourself. And the last one is 8. And in the end, you have to solve the last blank. So how you will write fill this blank? First you have to count the beats on a 10th place. There are 5. So first I'm going to write 5. And how many zeros in our 10th? We have only 1 0. So I'm going to write 1 0. It becomes what? 50. Now I have to write the answer of this one by adding all these. First I'm going to write this 2, then 6, 5, and then 8. 2658. The answer of this one is 2658. Now come on page number. Now turn off page number 9. Question number 2. In question number 2, I'm going to solve D part for you. In a D part, they give us an abacus. You can see on your notes. There are 4 lines. The first one is unit. Second one is tens. Third one is 100. And the fourth one is 1000. So in a unit, you can see there are 2 beats only. So I'm going to write 2 under it. Now you can see in a tens, there is no beats. There are no beats. So I'm going to write 0 under it. Now in 100, there are 8 beats. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So how many 100 we have? 800. And in a 1000 line, I have only 1 beat. So I'm going to write 1 under it. So it become what? 1802. Now, question number 3 of same page number. Page number 9. Question number 2. Sorry, question number 3. In this question, what you have to do is, I'm going to solve A part for you. In A part, they write 1426. So what you have to do in this question, draw the correct number of beads on each abacus to match the number. You can see on your notes that they write A part, that is 1426, and they draw an abacus under it. So how you are going to solve this one? We know that the first line is unit, second one is tens, third one is 100, and the last one is 1000. So we have, I'm going to write 1 under this line because it is on 1000 place, and 4 is on 100. So I'm going to write under the hundreds line. This next one is 2. So I'm going to write 2 under the tens lines, and the last one is 6, that is unit. So I'm going to write here 6. So you can see how I'm going to draw a beads. So how many beads I'm going to draw? I'm going to draw 6 beads in this line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now turn of tens, how many we have? 2. 1, and this one is 2. Now turn of 100, how many 100 we have? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now in a thousands line, how many thousands I have? Only 1. So I'm going to draw only 1 bead. Now come on the next page. On page number 10, you can see what they write, putting the numbers in order. So you know in the in your class 1 that what is an order. You know, order means you have to write the values line wise. You have to write all the values line wise. So in question number 1, what they are asking, write the numbers in each group in order, starting with the smallest number, starting with the smallest number. So you can see in A part, they give you 4 values. You have to start writing from the smallest, starting from the smallest. And question number 2, that is write each set of numbers in order, starting with the largest number. In this one, we have to start with the largest number. Now come on the board. Look at the board. That is page number 10 and question number 1. Going to do A part for you. In A part, they give 1102. The second value is 1201, and the third value is 1211, and the last one is 1101. So now we have to do what? Order them starting with the smallest, starting with the smallest. Starting with the smallest numbers. So now we have to find which one is the smallest. This one is 11,000, sorry, 1,000. The next one is again 1,000, again 1,000, and again we have 1,000. Now we are going to look at our 100 value. Here I have 100, here I have 200, and here I have again 200 and again 100. So I'm not going to look on 200. First, I'm going to look on 100. Now, I have these two values with 100, 100, and here is also 100. So I'm going to take help from tens. The next one is tens, that is 0. And in this line also we have a 0. Again, we cannot get any help, so we go to our units. In a unit, here we have 2, and in this one we have 1. So which one is the smallest? This one, 1 is the smallest. So first I'm going to write 1101. Then I'm going to write next one, that is 1102. Then I have these two values. This is 1200 and this one is also 1200. Now how many tens I have here? There are only 0. And how many tens I have here? 1. So which one is smallest? 0, 1 is smallest. So first I'm going to write 1201. This one is smallest. And in the last, 1211. So we can do these parts till D part by using this method. Now on the same page, question number 2. What we have to do, starting from the largest number, starting with the largest. Going to do A part for you. In a part, you can see they write 5 values. The first one is 2473. The next one is 1817. The next one is 1829. And the next one is 1568. Next one is 620. So in this part, you have to write them in order, but starting with the largest one. Starting with the largest one. So I'm going to start reading our values. The first one is 2400. The next one is 1000. The next one is again 1000. Next one again 1000. Next one is 600 only. So we have the largest value is 2473, and after this we have three values in a 1000. So I'm going to look on our hundreds value, that is also 8, and here is also 800, here is also 800. So we can't get any clue which one is largest. So we are going to the tens value. So how many tens I have here? Only one. I have only one tens, and here I have two tens. So which one is bigger, 1 or 2? 2 is bigger. So first I'm going to write 1829. Then I'm going to write 1817. And the next one is this one, 1568. And the last one is, that is very small, 620. You can do these parts with the help of this method, A, B, C, and D on your notes. Now come on the next page. Page number 11. Question number 3. What you have to do, starting with the highest mountain. Starting with the highest. On page number 11, you can see this. These are the highest heights of some mountains. The list is in alphabetical order. Write the mountains in order of height. Start with the highest mountain. You can see they write the names of mountains in this line and write their heights in this line. So now what we have to do, we have to arrange them. We have to arrange them starting with the highest mountain. So I'm going to find highest mountain in this list, So the first one is 6,900. This one is 2,000, 3,000, 8,000, 8,000 again, 5,000, 7,000, and 6,000. So I can see clearly that I have 2 8 that are present in our list, 8,000 and 8,000. Now I'm going to take help from the hundreds value. So in this one, Everest mountain, Everest in this one, hundreds value is 8 and K2 is 600. So which one is bigger, 8 or 6? 8 is bigger. So I'm going to write 1 in front of Everest. In front of Everest, I'm going to write 1. Then write 2. in front of K2 and write 2 in front of K2. So you can write them in an order like this. Now please come on the board and write your diaries. Your homework is do page number 8 to 11 on your notes. This is your diary. Okay, class. Allah Hafiz. Take care of yourself.